Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dendix from the 2022 Wave 7. We have Joey Logano's Shell Pennzoil Next Gen car. And on the back, you get other cars like Kyle Busch's DeWalt car, Kevin Harvick's Subway car, Brad Keselowski's Castrol car, and his Chase Piece car, and other cars in this wave. Let's get Joey Logano out of the box. So here we have the Shell Pennzoil logos, along with the classic number 22 and Joey Logano's signature. And here we have Joey Logano's car. Now obviously it still has that classic red and yellow paint scheme of Shell and Pennzoil, but now this is a new scheme actually, because from 2011 to 2021 it always had the same paint scheme with the side, with the red being here and some lines going out. But now it's mostly a yellow car with a red line going around the rims down here, and just a red line out. You got a red spoiler, in which this can be either red or black, and it mostly became black near the end of the season. It still has that classic red 22, the same Shell and Pennzoil front. And on the side, as you know, the 22 is moved to the front with the Shell logo right here and the Pennzoil logo with the Shell name and the Pennzoil logo right here. On the back, you got the Shell and Pennzoil logo along with up top right here. And on the hood, you got a snap-on tool. You got his name and obviously a small checkered flag sticker right here with the Discount Tire logo. And now I'll get you up close for the view of the car up close. A little 360 view. And I think that'll conclude for today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.